Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix driver not being updated on Acer Nitro 16. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If your Acer Nitro 16 is not updating drivers properly, then what you can do is first head over and then open up your settings, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is click on Windows Update. Now under Windows Update, head over and click on Advanced Options and then Optional Updates. Then look for driver updates and install any available updates. Then once installed, restart your laptop. Then the second method is to manually download and install drivers from Acer. So head over and open up your browser, and then on the search bar type in Acer support, then click on the first link that is given to you. Now inside here, what you need to do is scroll down and then select drivers and manuals. Now here, enter in your serial or SNID or model number, then download the latest version of the drivers that are not updating. Run the downloaded exe files and follow the installation instructions. Then once that's done, all you gotta do is restart your laptop. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.